Hello my loves and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a spring/summer maternity haul, I guess you can call it. So as shared in my last video, you guys know that I am now 16 weeks pregnant by the time you guys are viewing this, and I have a serious love for fashion and clothes, and I am loving everything that is in this season. All the pastels and the floral prints and just everything about it. I'm so excited for spring and I'm so excited for summer, even though we only get about 30 seconds of spring in Canada. But either way, I'm grateful and I'm thankful for it all. So I'm really excited to be able to rock these things this season with my ever-growing baby bump. So if you would like to see all of the items that I have picked up, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start off with swimsuits. These ones were gifted to me by Alspace. They're a super cute online store that uses recycled fabrics to create these pieces. So not only are they promoting less waste, but they're also doing their share to help the environment. So I thought that was really awesome of them. And I picked out 3 swimsuits. As you guys know, since having Elisa, I am obsessed with anything that is high-waisted. So I had to pick up this swimsuit once I saw it and I saw the color. So this is it. It's almost like this olivey green color. I mean, kind of makes me look a little pale right now, but I'm like just imagining this in the summertime with my cute little baby bump and a beautiful golden glow, kind of like Sierra at the Oscars it was. Yeah, that's the glow I'm going for this summer. So this, I thought this was really cute. It's super stretchy and very comfortable to wear. I really enjoyed trying this on. I found it so comfortable. Usually most bikini bottoms kind of cut me in awkward positions or places, or the fabric's too tight and I find it uncomfortable to wear, but this is perfect. I got this in a size large just to go with my, again, growing bump and waist size, so I know this is something that I can wear while I'm pregnant and even postpartum. And then the matching bikini top as well. It has this cute little detailing in the back in the matching color as well. This is also super comfortable, especially for someone who has breastfed for 7 months. It really helps support the girls and give them that like oomph that they are looking for. I also got this in a large because my boobs have been doing a lot of growing as they fill back up with the milk for baby number 2. So this has been really comfortable for me to wear as well. I actually often find myself wanting to wear this like underneath sweaters and stuff like that because I find it so much more comfortable than my regular bras. Weird? Probably. The next bikini piece is this tropical floral print, again from Alspace, and it is made from recycled nylon and spandex, I believe. Yes. So this is it. The back, again, is super cute and it gives me just the right amount of support for my ever-growing bust that I've got going on. I also got this in a size large, and again, super stretchy, very comfortable to wear, and it is padded so you don't have to worry about any nipples peeking through if that's not your thing. And then I got the matching bikini bottoms to go with them as well. These bikini bottoms are kind of high-waisted, so they come up high on your sides, which is perfect, and they're low cut in the front. Great for a growing bump if you will also have one this summer. And the last piece from Alspace is a one-piece bikini. Again, same tropical print as the last one, and again, super comfortable. It's very stretchy, so it's great for a growing bump. It does come up a little bit high-waisted, but I know as my belly gets big, my belly button is slowly going to peek its way out through the top, but that's totally okay with me. The boobs have a ton of coverage and you can adjust the way the tie sits in the front to fit your body, and then it also has a little string that's connected in the back so you don't have to worry about your swimsuit straps falling down. And if you guys are interested in any of these pieces that I am showing today, I will have them all linked down below in the description box so you can check them all out. Next up on my spring haul are a few pieces that I picked up from Dynamite. If I ever need an outfit in a pinch, they are like my go-to place to go to, and I'm absolutely loving their spring collection this season. So I actually picked up this turtleneck that I'm wearing. It's a little bit more yellow in person than it's appearing on camera, but it's super cute. It's got the bell sleeves here, and it's fitted all the way through. The neck doesn't come up too high, so I don't feel like I'm being like choked. So it's a super cute piece, and I love pairing it with like a leopard print and like a light pair of jeans. Speaking of jeans, Dynamite has come out with a relaxed fit pair of jeans called the Claudia. They were amazing when I got them when I didn't have much of a baby bump, and I absolutely loved the way that they fit. I will insert pictures of what they look like beforehand and what they look like now. So I decided to go on a DIY little spree to see what clothes that I can alter into maternity clothes. I found when I was pregnant with Elisa around the same time that it was really hard for me to find maternity jeans that fit comfortably, ones that didn't stretch out or fall down or just were like super awkward to wear. And I hated that all of them had to be worn with like a longer shirt or a longer sweater. I like tucking in my shirts and having that high-waisted look. So I decided to go and take my favorite pair of Claudia high-waisted relaxed fit jeans from Dynamite and turn them into maternity pants. Am I crazy for that? Probably. I'm probably gonna end up buying these regularly once the baby bump is gone, but for now these are perfect. All I really did was cut the pockets out and add in these little stretchy elastics that I found on Amazon and stitched that in. And honestly, these jeans have been like a dream to wear. They are so comfortable because they're relaxed fit. They do still fit nicely throughout the bum. These elastics help the jeans sit perfectly and comfortably, that I absolutely love them. So if you see me wearing these in every single picture, video, whatever it may be, yeah, I'm not changing. Sorry. So the next piece that I picked up from Dynamite is this floral print dress. So again, I love that floral print and pastels are in this spring season. It's like my favorite thing in the entire world. Bell-like sleeve on the bottom and the little bell-like sleeves on the dress. The best part about this dress is that it is stretchy throughout. So it's stitched with like that ruching, I don't know the exact term for it, but like just that like ruching kind of stitch, I don't know, style. So the way that they actually designed this dress and stitched it made it perfect for an ever-growing baby bump. That's probably one of the #1 things that I look for when I'm shopping for maternity clothes. Anything that has any sort of stretch, I know that I can get it in like my regular dress size before baby, and I know that that piece of clothing will stretch and grow with me, so that way after I have the baby I also can still wear this item. The next piece that I picked up from Dynamite is this crop top or 3/4 cut top. It's a low cut in the front, again with bell sleeves and a floral print, a floral polka dot print. And then the back of the shirt is completely open. And the last two pieces I picked up from H&M. The first piece is this pastel pink blazer. I love this. The button details are like a gold pearl. So beautiful. Literally just so beautiful. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear this to, but I'm gonna find somewhere to wear it. Maybe make my husband take me out on a date or something. It's just so I can wear this, but absolutely love this. Such a beautiful piece. The last thing I picked up was a bodysuit that I thought would be super cute to pair with my DIY maternity jeans. I did end up getting the wrong size, so hopefully I can exchange it. I mean, I ordered it online, and I know bodysuits have like weird return or exchange policies just because it's seen as like a hygienic item, which I totally get. But it's just this really cute bodysuit. It's got a little bit of the poof detail on the sleeves. So stretchy. I really did not need to get this in a large, but I got it in a large anyways. I'm gonna try it on and see if it will fit, but I just thought it was a really cute piece with a square neck. Very simple, very basic. You pair it with a pair of jeans or a skirt, dress it up with some accessories, and it'll look like a new piece every single time. So I thought it was really cute, but might need to size down for this. So we'll see. So that is it for my spring/summer maternity haul. Let me know down in the comment section below which pieces were your favorite, and remember I will have everything linked in the description box, so if you would like to check them out or pick up any of the pieces for yourself, then you can go ahead and do so. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to join our little family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!